Welcome back. I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri and I'm here with my 28th video from the eShop Web Project Development Series. In this video, we are going to talk about the product adding and the viewing page in the add to cart process. Now, in my previous videos, I showed you how I added the product when I wanted to show the summary. So now I'm gonna do the processing part, that means the backend code processing part to do that. Now to do that, I'm gonna use my home.php, that means the home page, and in my home page I'm gonna give add to cart for a product. So there are various types of products, so I'm gonna use headphones category, and in that I'm gonna use I'll take this. Then I will get an alert as product update added successfully. Now I will give this product added successfully. When you give this also, the same thing happens. Now let's take my cart. Okay, so now you can see that the 3 products that I added right now are over here. So these are the 2 products that I gave in my previous video. So now we are only gonna talk about the products that I added right now. So what happens over here is, you can see that in these 3 products, there are some requested total as 520250. That means that's the price. Over here, there is 1,25,145. Then 1,52,152 LKR. Then for this, there is a summary. So in this summary, you all can see that in my items, the name of the items has been changed to 3. And you all can see that if you get the total of these, that means with these values, that means the price of it, only the price, if you get only the price values, you will get the total of this 7,97,097 7 lakhs. So if I tell you how it's read, it's 7,97,000. Then it's gonna check the highest price for the delivery fee, and it chooses this as 547 and give it as a shipping price. So the shipping price is 547, and when you add these both, the total is gonna be as 7,97,547 LKR. That means rupees. So now let's check how did I do this and the processing part, and this, how did I make these titles, the colors, the price, the quantity, delivery fee, and the requested total, how did I do them, and the summary. Now let's go to the backend code and check what I have done. So what I have done is simple. Okay, so for the beginning, what I have done is, as I told you before, in my include header.php. So after that, I have given, I don't want to make another PHP script. So I have made inside that as a require connection.php, and if is set the $session new. So you all might be thinking, how did I get the $session new without giving it in the beginning or the end? So this is because in the header, if I show you the header, you all can see that I have given the $session start and the $session new. So I don't want to give it again because it is there in the header. Then after that, I have given these null values as I haven't given any values for this as total 0, subtotal 0, and shipping 0. So we talked about the design of this. And when we go to the other PHP script after the HR, that means after the second HR, I have given a PHP script as the cart rs is equals to the database search, select all from cart where the user email is equals to $email. So for this, I have made a new table in my database as the cart, and for them, I have given the user email and the product ID also as a many, one to many, and a cart num and a cart rs and a num rows. After that, I have given an if. So for that if, I have given the cart num is equal to 0. That means I haven't gave anything for my cart. Then the empty view should be shown. So I have closed my PHP script and opened it, and in between of that, I have given the empty view. Then if it comes to the else, I have closed my PHP script and opened it down. Then this products view should be shown as the products. We talked about the design. Then after that, I have given another PHP script, and for that I have given the for loop as the normal for loop as $x is equal to 0. The $x is smaller than the cart num and the $x plus plus, and the cart data is equal to the cart rs fetched as well. And the product rs, I have given the database search from the product where the ID is equal to the cart data product ID. Then when we go down, the product data is fetched as of as the product rs. Then after that, I have given the total as dollar total is plus to the product data price and the cart data quantity. So that means it will be changed according to the amount of the quantity. Then after that, what I have done is I have given the address rs. So I need to take my address. So to take that, I have given the address rs. So for this, I have given a big query as the select district.id as the DID from the user has the address, inner join the city on user has address.city ID is equals to the city.id, and I have inner join the district on the city.district ID. The district ID is where the user email is equals to the $email. So it's a bit confusing, but when you read it without giving it any effort, you all will understand it. Then after that, I have given the $address rs and the that address data and that address rs fetched as sock. And for the ship.z, then I have given a 0 value as for my $ship is equal to 0. So that means I haven't assigned any value for it. Then I have given the if. So this will work only if you have given a district or a city in your user profile. So if you don't have it, it won't work. So it's one of the points. So for after that, I have given if address data DID is equals to 1, the ship, the product data, the delivery fee should be there like that, and the $shipping should be $shipping plus $ship. Then if it comes to the else, the same thing happens but the opposite. The delivery fee Colombo should be delivery fee other. So this means there are two prices for the delivery fee Colombo and the delivery fee other. So if it's out of Colombo, so I will tell that I'm from this Sabaragamu district. Now I'm out of Colombo and you want to ship it there. So I'm in Sabaragamu please ship it for there, and the price will change according to that district's price. That means the delivery fee other will be changed to that. Then for this seller RS, I have given a simple query as we talked in my before videos. Select all from user where the email is equal to the product data user email, and the seller data as the fetch ASOC from the seller RS. Then after that I have given $seller. So this is not what we talk in other videos. So this is like a part that we talk not frequently, but now let's talk about it. So what happens over here is I have given $seller and the $seller data F name. Then I have concatenated, and in between of that I have given a space and the seller data L name. So this means whoever sells this product, the seller's name should be coming. I will show you how it works. So if I go to my cart, now y'all can see that all the products that they are all what I have added. Now if I give another product as apple and give add to cart, when I go to my cart, y'all can see that when I go down, okay, so this is even given by me. So when we go down, I will give this as to the add to cart. Then when I go to my cart and check, y'all can see that my sister's name will be coming as Sinura Wahalathanthri. So this means whoever add that product, the name of that seller's name will be coming like that. Then when we go down, for my sellers, I have given the PHP echo $seller. So that is what we saw over there. And for my another PHP script in my image, I have given the image RS. So for my beginning, I have given the $image array. Then I have given the image RS as database search. Select all from images where the product ID is equal to the cart data product ID. Then I have given the PHP script for that as the code. And for the product data title, for the cart title, I have given the product data title. And for the colors, I have given these queries as select all from color where the ID is equal to the product data color ID. Then when we go down, you all can see the color. I have given the CLR data name. Then for the condition also, I have done the same thing. And for the span, I have given $condition name. For the price, I have given the $product data price. Then for the quantity, I have given the value as 1. Delivery fee, echo the dollar shipping fee. Then for the buy now, I haven't given anything. Then for the requested total, I have given over here is a PHP script, and for that PHP script, I have echoed the $product data price, and I have given the card data quantity plus the $ship. So this means the requested price total is the quantity that you are taking, that is 1, and the price of the product, that is 2, and you all can just take it. So I'm gonna take the shipping price of it also, so that is 3. So when this all gets in addition, if this all gets $product data plus card data plus $ship, then the requested total will be coming. Then for my summary, as we talked about this design of this, it's simple. For my items, what I have given is the $PHP script, $cart num. So that means how much numbers that I have. So we were talking about this num as for my every video. I'm just telling what is, without telling what is this cart num. Here I'm telling product num, product data. So this cart num means to take the value, how much values that I have in my database. Then I'm going to fetch data from that num. Okay, so that is it for the num, part num. Then when we go down, y'all can see the dollar total. So for the dollar total, what I have done is, y'all can see that when we go down, when we go up, y'all can see the dollar total as the product data and the card data quantity. Then that should happen over there. And for the shipping, I have given the dollar shipping, the echo. So that means it goes to the biggest value that we have from the shipping. And when it goes to the total, the dollar shipping should work, and plus the dollar total even should work. Then only it's success. So after that, the checkout button, as we talked in the design. So if it all goes wrong, it should come to the else as the please signing or register. Then if it does happen, it's good. So this is it for this processing video and this validation part and the viewing video. I hope you understood it. So I will come with my 29th video as we talk about this, and we will be talking about the product removing, and after that we will be talking about the popover also. So until then, have a nice day and bye.